Let's create a plane. It's a polygon plane, and scale this to 24 units so that it will be scaled to the plane size, or you can even scale it to the bigger one, no problem. I'll add a subdivisions of 80 and then select the plane and assign a deformer, that is the texture deformer. In texture deformer, I'll just go to the texture and put a layered texture. In the color, I'll put the ramp and then change the ramp to the circular ramp and then swap the colors like that, and then choose the interpolation to exponential down. Select the deformer and put the strength to a value of 3 or 4 maybe. Open hypershade and then bring up the layered texture like that. Select the ramp, scale it down, and then translate that to the corner. I'll also select the ramp here and then add noise there. Like that. Instead of adding noise here, I can even add on top of it later. So I will select the layered texture and create a ramp again, and blending mode, circular ramp, swap the colors, exponential down. Now you got another spike, but in the layered texture we change the blending mode to add. I get that 2 mountain peaks here. You can select this ramp and change the placement like that. Now if you see that mountain peak which is going out is coming from here. To avoid that, you switch off the wrap button. But when we have switched off the wrap, it's giving this unwanted result. Go to the color balance and in default color make it black. So I'll take one more ramp here in the layered texture. Okay, I'll put that onto the top there. Again, take a ramp. I'm using middle mouse to drag this front and back. I'll show you. Just take that and then put it here. I'll put it there as you wanted. Use middle mouse button. You can choose the blending mode to add, and then the ramp type to be the circular ramp, and exponential down like that, and then you can maybe scale this or translate this as you wanted it to be, like that. Okay, now just go and create one more ramp. Exponential down, circular ramp there, and that should be on the top. Blending mode to be add. and then I'll just move. I'm just exploring other possibilities here. Just like that. So I've got some sort of shapes there. It looks good. Now I just go to the layer texture, create one more layer, put it on the top, and here I'll take a noise texture. Okay, and this noise texture I'll take the wispy, and then I'll go to the blending mode and then just put multiply blending mode. I can select the plane and then go to the plane attribute and then put more subdivisions, maybe if I'm feeling I'm expecting more detail there. Okay, so I can reduce the influence of this texture if I wanted it to, and I'll put a low frequency by scaling. Okay, I'm just multiplying the whole value. And I'm just changing the time value and I'm just seeing which one is I'll just look in for other blending modes. that looks okay to me. And I can select the ramps here, and I can see which blending mode still work, and how the overall effect should be. That's cool. I'll set a project actually. Snow mountain. And then I'll save this file. Let's select the mountain geometry, and then in the color let's assign a 3D texture called snow. Okay, and then have a look on the Arnold render. I'll just put the black here, and also I'll not go for the reflectivity there. And if you see, there is something called threshold, and we can this tool basically works like it identifies the slope and it will not put the snow there, and rest of the place it puts the snow. So I'll just try to leave that space, and keep it thick. Like that. Once it is done, in the surface color, let's put the mountain texture. Okay, mountain texture again. Just I want that subtle wedges where the snow can settle and create that break. Like that. I just select the light here, and then we have elevation. I'll put a value of 15, and then start playing with the azimuth value to give that depth. So I'm just trying to change the direction of the light. Like that. That should be that's good. In the snow color, maybe we can take a texture where we can. I'll just see if I can go for a crater. Okay, and wherever things are blue, let's keep it black, and rest of them let's put it to white. Okay, something like that. And again, in this channel number 3, let's put a ramp, a circular ramp, and add noise in it. Just here and there some blotches, something like that. Just to add some that light detail. In the foreground element. Okay, I'll just go to the render settings, and I'll go to the Arnold section. In an environment, I'll choose the background and create a sky shader, and in color I'll put a ramp. Okay, and then this black color should be some blue, and this one okay. Blending mode, I'll just put smooth, and in the selected color, okay, before getting into that, I just select the option here, and then visible in the lighting and all, I just disabled it. Okay, now I just select the blue color and then choose a fractal, and then repeat this texture non-proportionally, like that, and add some threshold value. I think it's not working. Okay, I'll just stick to the threshold value. Repeat 0.2, 0.6, and then I'll go to the color remap and put a ramp there. and then select this one with the blue color and this one with the clouds color, and then start exploring the blending modes. Okay, so yeah, that's how this it's basically all procedural. There's nothing I've created here from any texture outside. I just brought things from within Maya, and I've created this whole scene uh, and achieved this. Maybe I can just still play with the light here. Just to make the mountain stand out from the background sky.